Now that we have completed setting up our 3D nodes, we will work on setting up our 2D G nodes, which were designed to work with this widget. In this demonstration, we will be working with controller nodes. The controller nodes will be set up to control the browse symmetrically. Since we are no longer enabling new morphs, we do not need to work with presets. Presets are only useful when we are working symmetrically. Here we are just adding controllers to the nodes we've already set up. We are doing the same process of connecting the controller nodes to their matching input. There is a slight difference in these nodes, however. These nodes have an output labeled center axis out. We are connecting it to the center and Y inputs of the left and right nodes. The reasons they are labeled center out and center in is because they were originally specialized center nodes during the development process. As we add the controller nodes, we are renaming the group locator to match the naming scheme we used in the previous video. This time, however, we are adding AD suffix to denote the difference. As we work, we are moving the group locator housing to the locators for the nodes, 0.25 or 1/4 inch to either the left or the right. This is the max we want to move these from the origin. For the center of each group, we will use a different shape node. This is not necessary. I personally like to vary up the look a little. Since this group has a center node in it, we are going to use a static label. These labels do not have any inputs in their assembly. Their visibility and position is going to be controlled by the center node. All we are doing is dragging the labels into the morph control location node of the center controller of this group. Now we will finalize this group by labeling it with the same name as its 3D counterparts, with the exception of a 2D denotation rather than a 3D one. Now we move this group aside -1 inch so we can work on the next set.